As I welcome the Super Senator to come and do, of course, the introduction of all our local leaders, allow me to go straight to the government level. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to invite the Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Ababu Namwamba, to give his maiden speech. And then, of course, let's appreciate him, ladies and let's appreciate him. Makofi tafadhali, makofi tafadhali, makofi tafadhali. You're welcome, sir. Thank you, sir.
Senior Pastor Walter Bulimu, together with the church, the Friends International Center and Ngong Road, thank you very much for having us. My apology for the disorganization of the protocol. I'm traveling this afternoon, but I'll be together with you, Martin, together with the family on Saturday, back at home. And I appreciate this moment to pay my respect here in church. Now, Martin, Tati, and Mama Rachel, together with the whole family, the Kasavuli family, I join you here this afternoon to pay my respects to this very special girl, a great lady by any measure, incredible soul, amazing professional, who truly shattered the glass ceiling and unleashed the full force of girl power on the screen. And truly, Catherine has been an inspiration to so many, and worked with so many people from all over the country. I mean, even from my own villages of Budalangi, I know so many people that Catherine worked with and inspired, including my own sister Helen at KTN, Lydia Manyasi, and Ali at KBC, Lydia Wangoma, Billy Omala, the late Anaklet Araba. All those are people from my neck of the woods that worked with Catherine. So she really worked in an ecosystem that was truly national and international. And some amazing lessons to learn from this great girl. One of them is that when you're leaving the room, do not bang the door too hard, because you may just walk back through the same door. And it's amazing that after 40 years of an incredible professional journey, Catherine returned to KBC and was received and embraced with so much love and affection. Meaning that she left KBC with a great legacy. So I just want to say pole sana to the family. And in a very special way, I want to thank you, Martin, for allowing me the opportunity to spend some precious time with your mother. On the 3rd day of December, you allowed me to come to her ward and spend some truly incredible time with her. And a very short 26 days later, on the 29th, I got the heartbreaking news that we had lost the fight. But it was an incredible time spent with this lady, and her spirit was so strong. And we prayed and talked about 1,000,001 things. It was so difficult to leave. I was rushing to an event, but we ended up spending so much precious time. Martin, thank you. Thank you, really. really for that special opportunity. So Mama Rachel, mimi nasema kala mno. Pole sana. We shall join you at home, together with the rest of the family, to say our final farewell to this precious sister of ours. Allow me also, in the same spirit, to share with you the condolences of the Prime Cabinet Secretary, our big brother Musalia Mudavadi, and His Excellency President William Samoei Ruto, who send their condolences. And Martin, as you know, they have and they'll continue to stand with the family. So poleni sana, and may the soul of this incredibly precious girl, the little girl from Zululu, rest in peace. Asanteni sana.
Thank you so much, Bonasias. Let's appreciate him once more, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, as he takes his place back on his seat, I want us to just go back and take a look at visually at the screen that is clearest next to you, so we can have that tribute that once from there. I shall get it back to the church, not back to the police.